You know, when people make up stuff about you that ain't true, and they want to try to force the narrative on you. It's so unhealthy. So unhealthy. But you know, sometimes you just gotta let people think whatever they want to think. Let them think whatever they want to think. And just continue to live your life how you've been living it, day by day, having faith, feet to the ground, hands to the sky. Yeah. Because one thing about when people make up shit about you, and then the truth reveals itself, ain't nothing else they can say. Just keep doing you and staying true to you. Out in nature, where I love to be. When I'm in nature, that's where I feel at home, here on earth. Nature is everything. It is healing. It is calming. It is so tranquil, you know? Especially on days where you feel emotional. Yeah. But I love to be in nature. It just gives me relief. On my happy days, on my sad days, it makes me feel better. So anyways, Let Them. It's a book out that's called Let Them. And I forgot who was the writer and author of that book. But anyways, I'm going to check it out. Definitely, because I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. But yeah.